In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle returns and exchanges for Etsy. Whether you're new to selling or a seasoned pro, managing returns and exchanges efficiently is crucial for maintaining a positive relationship with your customers. Let's dive into the steps to ensure a smooth process. First things first, log into your Etsy account. Once you're in, navigate to the Shop Manager tab. From there, head over to Settings and then click on Policy Settings. This is where you can set the groundwork for your returns and exchange policy. You'll want to create a clear and concise policy that customers can refer to, which helps avoid any confusion down the line. Next, click on Create Policy. Here, you'll need to decide if you want to accept returns and exchanges, or if you prefer not to, especially if you're selling custom or digital items. If you choose to accept returns, remember to set a clear return window. For instance, you might decide to accept items returned within 14 days after delivery. This kind of specificity helps manage expectations and provides a clear timeline for your customers. After setting your preferences, don't forget to hit Save and Apply. This saves the changes you've made, ensuring your policy is up to date and can be communicated effectively to your buyers. Remember, a clear returns policy can also enhance your shop's credibility, reassuring potential buyers that they're making a safe purchase. Now, let's discuss what to do if a buyer requests a return. It's essential to communicate clearly and promptly. Head over to your messages and make sure to respond as quickly as possible. In your response, confirm a few critical details with the buyer. First, check the item's condition. It must be unused and in its original packaging to qualify for a return. Next, confirm the return address and the time frame for the return to make sure both parties are on the same page. Once you receive the returned item in its original condition, it's time to process the refund. Head back into your shop manager and go to Orders. Locate the specific order in question and click on Issue a Refund. Here you can choose to issue a full refund or a partial one depending on the situation. Once you've decided, confirm the refund to complete the process. Handling returns and exchanges doesn't have to be daunting. With a well-crafted policy and clear communication, you can manage these situations smoothly and keep your customers happy. This in turn strengthens your reputation and can lead to more positive reviews and repeat business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you confidently manage returns and exchanges on Etsy.